Hello guys, kain tayo ng ice cream. Umagang-umaga, ice cream. Ayan. First bite for you guys. Mango ice cream in the house. This coming hot weather. Wow. Tamang lang yung kanyang tamis. At lasang-lasa talaga yung kanyang pagka-fruits. Pagka-mango. At anong lambot. Yung ilang oras mo nilagay sa ref, guys. Pero kinain mo. Parang bumili ka sa isang ice cream shop. Yung sikat ngayon. Maganda nito pag homemade guys na ice cream. Hindi masyadong matamis. Nakadepende sa'yo. Kung gusto mo matamis, dagdagan mo ng condensed milk. Perfect. Yummy. Delicious ice cream. Mango. Sa totoo lang, wala tayong ginamit na mango na fruits. Condensed milk, mango. Delicious. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow my Facebook page. If you buy something, please click the yellow basket in my TikTok shop. Bye guys. Thank you. Yummy. Delicious ice cream.